What new developments have occurred in the U.S. Iran war cycle following the latest attacks? The situation is shifting rapidly with surprising moves on both sides that could change the region's future. Following the latest attacks, both the U.S. and Iran have ramped up military actions. The U.S. conducted precise airstrikes targeting key militia positions linked to Iran in Iraq and Syria. Meanwhile, Iran has increased drone reconnaissance and launched missile tests as a show of force. These moves signal a dangerous escalation, but also a calculated demonstration of power designed to avoid full-scale war. Despite the military escalation, diplomatic channels are active. Indirect talks involving European intermediaries and the United Nations have begun to explore ceasefire options. The Biden administration is balancing pressure on Iran over its nuclear program with efforts to reduce conflict risks. Iran, meanwhile, is signaling openness to dialogue, but demands easing of sanctions. This diplomatic tug-of-war shapes the war cycle's next moves. The latest developments have ripple effects across the Middle East. Countries like Iraq and Syria find themselves caught in the crossfire, with infrastructure damage and civilian casualties rising. Regional powers are reassessing alliances, while international oil markets respond nervously. The war cycle fuels instability beyond direct combat zones, making peace efforts more urgent but more complicated. The U.S.-Iran war cycle is more complex than ever, blending military maneuvers with high-stakes diplomacy that could either escalate or ease tensions. Understanding these developments helps you see the bigger picture behind the headlines. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.